4 here at Dubbo. A gloomy Dubbo. We've still got an hour of daylight, but it's getting quite dark. They're just about set. Ready. There's the green light. Arms folding back, away they go, and getting away nicely the favourite Little Mojo. It's going to go straight to the front from gate 5. Getting on its back is Kiss Cam for the suck home, and then came Lorenzo Shannon. Back behind them next on the outside is Escort Way, and out 3 wide Lucky Iffy. Now going forward, back behind those runners next is Arrived in Time. Going back through the field into second last is Art Dealer, and last of all on the inside is Need It, Want It, Do It. They get to the top of the home straight, a little over 2 laps to travel, race 4 at Dubbo. The Ray Tobin signs pace, and in front the short price favourite Little Mojo. It's looking for win 4, having its 7th start here this afternoon. Moving up on the outside is Arrived in Time for Murray Sullivan. In behind the leader Kiss Cam, and Lucky Iffy now gets 1 by 1 cover. Lorenzo Shannon pulling on the inside, 3 back the pegs. From Escort Way, Need It, Want It, Do It, and Art Dealer Can See Them All. A very slow 40.4 lead time. Little Mojo couldn't have had it any easier thus far. On the outside in second spot, just trying to edge a little bit closer, is Arrived in Time, and over on the inside Kiss Cam. In behind them 3 back the pegs, Lorenzo Shannon, Lucky Iffy's on the outer, and then came Need It, Want It, Do It from Escort Way, and last of all is Art Dealer. They go by the first quarter. It's running another very slow 33 seconds. This is getting a very cheap run, this favourite. Little Mojo in front. On the leaders back second is Kiss Cam, and on the outside in third spot is Arrived in Time. Lorenzo Shannon's next from Lucky Iffy, and then came Need It, Want It, Do It from Escort Way, and last of all in the races they turn around into the home straight is Art Dealer. They've been in this order for almost a lap now. They'll get the bell. They've got just over a lap to travel, and in front the favourite Little Mojo. On the outside second is Arrived in Time. Third on the inside Kiss Cam, and then came Lucky Iffy. Buried away is Lorenzo Shannon. The next pair Need It, Want It, Do It from Escort Way, and Art Dealer last of all. Well, there's another slow quarter. 33.2, 66 to the half. I could run slower backwards with thongs on. Little Mojo's in front as they make their way into the back straight. They're starting to quicken now. Here comes Arrived in Time on the outside, 2 metres away. On the inside in third spot is Kiss Cam. They're starting to run quickly now down the back. Lorenzo Shannon's about to get clear. Lucky if he can't go with the speed. And then came Art Dealer whipping around them 3 wide from Need It, Want It, Do It, and Escort Way last of all. 29.4. And in front now the favourite Little Mojo's getting more rain and it's getting further in front. Kiss Cam's trying hard to go with it back in second, 8 metres back. Another 12 metres off them third, Lorenzo Shannon. And then down the outside, Arrived in Time with Art Dealer. Little Mojo, the short price favourite. It's only going to win by about 6 metres, but has got there. Second will go to Kiss Cam. Third, Lorenzo Shannon. And then came Arrived in Time from on the outside, Art Dealer. Need It, Want It, Do It. Lucky Iffy, who couldn't sprint with them down the back. And last of all was Escort Way. Oh, got away with